What's going on, guys? It's Monday, and that means you're probably back at work. So hopefully this will make you feel a little better about going to work. It's not Monday, and today, the square knot. Square knot, or is also known the reef knot, is a binding knot. Now, what it's really good for is to tie a line around an object. When it comes to tying the square knot, there's an easy phrase: right over left, left over right. So we're gonna take our right line, which is the green line, we're gonna bring it over the white one, underneath, and then back on top. Now, the green line is our left line, so again, over the top, wrap it around and come through. Make that tight, you've got a square knot. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys have been enjoying Knot Monday. Leave a comment down below with any knots you want to see me tie. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you can tune in next week. Yeah, just tune in next week. We'll tie more knots. Especially if you got one you really want to see, we'll tie it. Because I'll tie it. You can tie it too.